Alright. So yeah, you're recording right now. And that froze, but alright. There we go. Let's go ahead and start them up. Yeah, because the first one I did for you guys was not the business. I'm trying to see, make sure it's lined up good and that I can still see. It's so bright outside. It's not really that bright. Oh, none of that. Again. Okay. Let's see if I can get my brother on here real quick. I look the best, don't I? My little headband. It's all good. Alright. Okay. Let's put this out. Alright. Go and get some Dairy Queen. Yeah. Trying to make sure that I'm in a good spot, man. Cause I don't know, that's a good job. Yeah. What up, bro?
Man, what you doing?
About to do this vlog. I'm actually on the vlog right now.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute, hold on. Alright, what'd you say?
No, I said I'm on the vlog right now, Doc. Yeah. You froze. Hold on. I'm just trying to make sure there's a good view right now. Alright. Yeah. No, I just want to make sure, yeah, we were connected good right now. Alright, cool. Yeah, Doc. I did one earlier.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did one earlier. This way I can... Huh?
Some dumb people?
No, just me in the car, driving.
Oh.
Yeah. Because I'm in an Infinity right now. That's the Armada over there, but no, I'm not driving that right now. What you doing?
Get these dishes out the way.
Oh, okay. Dang, I wish I had a mount. I don't have a mount to put this anywhere. The phone. I mean, I have one, but not. Put my passcode on here and stuff. It's all good. I'm just getting a hold of my phone right now. Where'd you go? There you go. All right. Now I can put you right there, but you can't see me. Let's see. Oh, now you can. Yeah. Now I uploaded the first one on Facebook and YouTube. You. Oh, hold on, I lost you for a second. That's because it's switching from Wi-Fi to. Oh, this is gonna be fun getting out of here. Yeah. I didn't know if I want Dairy Queen. Don wants it, but I don't know if I want it.
Say right now?
No, I said I want to go get Dairy Queen, but I don't know if I want any. Don wanted some. Yeah, you went flying, Doc. So you haven't heard the car like with me on the phone? Does it sound loud right now? You say for real, Dad? Yeah. Yeah, boy. Well, hold on. I don't know why you're not on the... You should at least been on the radio right now. I don't know why you're not. Burning up. Let me turn you up. All right, what'd you say?